everyone. So welcome to the post market analysis. And today is Wednesday, February 14th, 2024. Happy Valentine's Day. Um, well, so it make me feel like the market today is kind of it's a dance uh, between bull and bears, and seems like each have their win. Um, of course, by the end of the day, the bull took over the charge, and it closed above like a 5,000. So it's like a yesterday after in my postal market analysis, why I said well, it's likely probably because it closed pretty strong, and likely it's going to challenge that 49.80. And as we know that the market shortly after the open, it actually went above 49.80, and it even pushed above like a 49.90. And I guess a lot of people were thinking, man, this is going to go to 5,000 kind of in no time. But it seems like the bears took over and pushed it down really hard. And with that said, it's a really it's a push it down really hard, and it almost kind of broke below like a 49.55, and it's fascinating. And then later go up and down, and but it was able to kind of storm above like a 49.80 for many times, and eventually it had a solid footing and and then charge ahead to I believe that's kind of like in the final hours. Yeah, almost like in the sort of kind of in the final hours, its charger had closed. Um, I mean, making a new high, and then eventually even go kind of above 5,000. So what I can say, apparently it's very strong, and it's fascinating, and I'm not sure how many people that really expect that. So it will be interesting to see tomorrow what's going to come tomorrow. So likely, uh, we don't know. It may take a break uh, overnight. Um, and tomorrow is the monthly options expiration day. I took a look at the open interest and volume for tomorrow morning's expiration, and it seems a huge volume at 5,000, cluster at like a 5,000 level. So I would tend to believe that tomorrow likely market going to open flat, like so that to kill all those kind of like open interest, uh, and probably hurting the most people. And we shall see. I would be surprised that I don't know. I would say I'll be open-minded, and but I'll be surprised it will open up at 5,025 level. And I would tend to believe market may could could release the pent up energy for the bull to run to the upside, but probably by the open it may come back down to 5,000, and then probably let the market to make a choice to either to go um, to reattempt the 5,025 level, and even like a 5,050 level, or um, or who knows. I think the kind of market finish its mission, and it may say, well, let's continue the downside. And apparently this level, this is a gap. 5,015, that would be a very important level. And what I see is that if it can push through 5,000, 5,025, especially 5,030 level. It could likely go to 5,050, and depends on where it opened and what's the low that it made yesterday. I mean tomorrow. Um, it would be another very, very interesting day tomorrow, and I really look forward to it. And yeah, uh, this is essentially kind of the same chart that I have from yesterday, and I have not really realigned this level, but they are about the same. There should be kind of less than 1 points like difference here. Um, so these are just more like for reference. And again, overnight, I would say to make it stable, it it I would believe it will stay between like 5,010, and to the downside, it could go down um, to 4990 level, and correspondingly, that will be 5,027.38 on the upside, and on the downside, it will be it will be um it will be 5,007 level. I did not jot it out here, but uh, it will be around 5,007 level here. So that's the range for the overnight. So I think that's like the market update, and let's flip over to the calendar. Let me see. So in some of the calendar, so tomorrow, so don't forget tonight, like at 7 o'clock, there is another Fed speech from Fed Bostic, and tomorrow, let's see what's out there. So there's a ECB president speech that could be pretty influential, and probably not that much to U.S. market though. Uh, Now the big one is like at 8:30 again. It seems like, oh my gosh, it seems like a data dump tomorrow. So what does that mean? I only know that's going to um, shift the market a lot tomorrow. So at 8:30, watch it out, and the market could move a lot. Um, what retail sales, export price, import price, jobless claims, New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, Philly Fed uh, Manufacturing Index, retail sales excluding like autos, uh, yeah. So lots of kind of in terms of price, and also some Fed data release like business conditions, CapEx index, and Fed in Philly Fed employment, Philly Fed new orders, Philly Fed prices paid, retail sales. Oh man, that's a lot. I feel like a very mouthful to read all of them. And then, well, that's at 8:30, and there's a one batch deal. And then 9:15, there's another batch. Um, it's a industrial production capacity utilization, and yeah, And then at 10 o'clock, there are more business inventory, housing market index, retail inventory, and natural gas stocks. So, but it seems like the one at 8:30, that's a lot. Probably by the market open, that market with all those kind of data dump, they probably have already make up, the market have already make up its mind. And Thursday tend to kind of a directional, and it could be because of such a kind of a massive like data dump at 8:30 sometimes, or probably most of the Thursday probably behave like that. And so after 10:30 and pretty much and then as usual like at 11:30 there's like a treasury bill options auctions, and then at 12 o'clock there's a mortgage rate, and then I don't know what is it that at 12 o'clock or another called no power crush report. And at 1:15 watch out 1 o'clock, there's another speech from Fed Waller, so be careful. Probably it doesn't matter. Everything's already been disclosed, and people probably have already heard enough. And then 4 p.m. there's some additional things to for 4 p.m. there's additional release here. So and then yeah, that's for for Thursday. That's a lot. So with that said, I believe after market open, market probably already make up its mind already. OD release probably not going to mean too much, and I don't know how much the Fed speech from Fed Waller could move the market. As always, any Fed speech could move the market. It will be a interesting day, and yeah, so it'll be interesting to see where it's going to kind of challenge. I believe we should see like a 5,025 level, and it could even uh it could even kind of go to like a 5,050, and it'll be interesting day tomorrow. With that said, good luck to everyone. May the energy be with you all time. Thank you.